If you got your counter clean, just pick it up, and your counter clean, your hands clean, just pick it up and put it in there. So there's about 1 clove of garlic. Now this recipe will be totally different when I can it. I'm going to add is going to be, we're doing hot dogs and potatoes, onions, burger, and then once these get browned up a little bit, I'll put a little bit of beef broth in there, or bouillon, and you'll see. Oh, and it's so good. I put a little bit of beef bouillon in there. I put 2 tablespoons of ketchup after I fried them up, and we got burger in there, that's 80-20. Onions, a little bit of garlic, and I made it simple. So we're gonna have hot dogs with us, and I put my Dilly Beans in the fridge because they've cooled down. So there it is, folks. That's